Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video and the same thing, guys. We repeat it every day. If you are a long-term trader, stick only with the daily and you're going to find the timeline down. If you are a swing trader, only for 4 hours. If you are a scalper and a day trader, for 30 minutes. So depending your trading style, choose the time frame of you and watch it, because everyone is going to be different. I think everything is too clear, so let's start. So as you see here in the daily for long-term trading, the daily candle here, it's finished, and look what it gave us here. It gave us here a candle. It's showing the market, it's staying sideways here. The market, it doesn't go nowhere here. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. So as you see the market, what it's doing here, the market, it doesn't move nowhere, no up, no down. So we stay sideways here all the whole day, and today the candle will finish here. That one is the candle of Monday. People, they been with me, they know those things. So what shall we do now here in the daily? Till now there is nothing yet. Till now there is nothing yet. What else we said here about that level here? Till now we're still in it. We haven't break it up. We need that one to break here. If we break in here, that's another story. Because if you remember, people, they've been with us for some time. What we said here about the wake off and that break will happen down here, and that fake out will happen. We came back inside now. Man, that one is a fake out here. Now we came back here. It's need that one to break for us here. If it's breaking here and doing like that and breaking the last high, which is here, that 100% is the bottom. If it's not, us we still here. Nothing confirmed yet. Yes, I showed you yesterday in the video of the weekly. When the weekly candle finished, I show you that wage we have here is getting broke in the weekly, but we need another confirmation, because till now, as you see, the volume here is very dry, and majority of investors, they still waiting what the market is going to do, because it's need to break at least here. If it's breaking here, you're going to see a big volume enter into the market. Till now, it hasn't entered big volume. Yes, it entered from down here till here. And also we been with it. We enter from here. People, they been with me. We enter from here. Now we are in very nice profit. If it go up more, we're going to buy more. If it make a correction to the 200 moving average, we will buy more. Then after that, it's going to give us like that. Then after that, it's going to go more higher to break for us the last high. That's something very good. But till now, us we stay in here in that level here, as I showed it to you before. I told you we got here the top of that wage we have here. So till now it hasn't been broken here. We need a candle to come with big power like that. If it came a candle with big power and breaking for us that last high here or that level here as you see it, that's another story. Till now us we stay in here. We are here in that level. Only someone who doesn't got brain and they never ever trade, he will buy now. Because look where you are. Last time from here you fall down. And now you are in it. That's why I told you we need a candle to come to break here for the market to go very sharply up. Till now there is no break-in, so us we still waiting. So now let's go to see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The news which is coming tomorrow, as you see it, don't got something special for the Bitcoin here. It's only for the euro and the British pound. But if you trade in Forex for Bitcoin and stocks, there is nothing. So here there is nothing special. So our table here, that table us, we're looking at it every day. That one here, what it telling us, as you see it, we don't got something special. Only thing, US stocks today, all of them, they closing green, and that's what I told you in the last video. I told all US stocks they are going to go higher, and that's what it's showing. All of them, they're going green today. That's something very good, and the Bitcoin is very correlated to the Nasdaq. If the Nasdaq going up, even the Bitcoin will go up. And here our friend, the VIX or the scarcity measurement indicator, it's still below 20. That's something very good. That mascareness is getting lower and lower, and people they still waiting the PCI, which is going to come in Friday. Is going to tell them the inflation of USA what it's doing, and we're still waiting even the Fed what is going to do. That's why you don't see it is breaking down in that 20. It's still very close to 20, but it's still good now. We're still below the 20. That's something very good here. It's going back now to the chart to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for swing trading now. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here, what else we said last video? We said we got here a mega fall like that. If that one breaking up here, we will enter long. If it fall down and break lower here, we will enter short. Till now there is no break up, no breakdown. Also we stay in here sideways, and the market he tried to give you here like another flag here. Look at it. If you go into lower time frames like 30 minutes or something, you're going to find it, but there is nothing confirmed here yet. We need to wait and more what's going to happen. We came here to that last high here, and we draw in here a line like that and like that. If a candle came and breaking up here, enter long and go with it. If a candle came and break lower here, you can enter short. So till now you need to wait and more what's going to happen. There is nothing confirmed. That was how me saw it. It's need more here to stay sideways here more if it's going to give us a price action for reverse. Till now there is no reverse yet. And I'll show you all the price actions you got here. You got that one here. Look with me here. That megaphone here. If it came the market and breaking down here, you enter short. Remember that. If it doesn't breaking down here, there is no entry short. The break where it needs to be happen here exactly at 20,461. Look at it here. 20,461. It's need the market to come down to break here at 20,461. That is going to indicating the market is going to reverse to fall down. If it doesn't, there is no entry short now. Everything is too clear. Remember those things me I'm telling you. And for long, you came here to you go to the chart of you and you do it like that. When a candle came and break in here, you enter long. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators what they saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, we got here the divergence. I showed it to you in the last video, and even now we repeat it. As you see from here, that in the 4 hours for swing trading, remember that 4 hours is only for swing trading. We said we got here the divergence. Should we enter short? No, my friend. I'll show you when you should enter short that price action like that. It's need the market to come to break here that level here. I'll show you. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Unless if it came another price action here, indicating the market is going to reverse, that's another story. But till now, there is no entry short. It might that divergence giving us here. Then after that, you're going to see the Bitcoin going up and breaking both of them. That's why I told you it's not yet. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it's being here at the overbought area from here. Look at it. From down here, look where we are. That's why I told you those ones, they are just oscillators. You don't need to base your trading about them. And you don't need to follow anyone. He base his trading about indicators. You need to remember that. But as we said, is it here at the overbought area level? You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. I'll show it to you. Look at it here. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should you enter short? No, my friend. It's need the market to come to break here. If the market came down and breaking lower here, yes, you can enter short. But now, no, there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. If you remember people being with us before the day of FTX collapse, we used to have here a megaphone. When it's breaking here, we enter short. Till down here. When we be in here at that level here, we've been sideways for some time, and also we've been waiting till it came here, a price action like that, indicating for us the market is going to reverse, then also enter long till where we are. Now, at that level here, there is no entry short. Look at that, what the market doing here. Go up, rest in here in that level, go up, now it's resting here. You need to wait in what the market is going to tell you, because the chart is talking to you, so you need to follow what the chart telling you, because the chart don't repent in themselves. When it's going to appear here, it will never go back. So now, all we waiting. What's going to happen? We got a price action here like that. We need the market to come to break here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, we will not enter short. We're still waiting what the market is going to tell us. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here we are for scalpers. So if you are a scalper, that's your time frame. Here what else we said. We used to have here a wage like that. It's getting broke here. You enter till here. In the last video when I analyzed for you the SP500, I said people they haven't entered. You got another one here. Look at that. Did it break here? No. There is no break here. Did it come and break lower here? No. There is no break either up or either down. So what should you do? You should wait. Look with me. You came to that peak here and that peak here. And you're connecting them with dots like that. And down here, you came to the lower here. And you wait in the break to happen here for you to enter long, or the break to happen here for you to enter short. People, they catch in here, that place here, they enter long from here. Over here, they're protecting themselves. So now they are risk free. Everything is very simple. Just some people, they never ever trade. They're making things complicated. And let me show you something very important here in 30 minutes. Bitcoin is breaking down the 200 moving average. Look at it. It went up. Here it's resting. You see it? Here it's being resting. Then now it went up. Now here it's resting again. In that level here, we're resting. Now either from here, we're going to go more higher, because the 200 moving average is still going up. Look at it. Look at the 200 moving average, what's being doing here. Going up, resting, now it's going up. Now it's need to rest like that to tell you either the market is going to go up or to fall down. So you is still sideways now. There is no entry long, no entry short. Only for scalpers and day traders, that's another story, because they're aiming to earn 0.5% or something like that till 1%. That's another story. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. So the people, they enter, protect yourself now. People, they need to enter short. What you need? You do it like that. You came here, you're drawing here a line. If a candle came and closing below in the 200 moving average, you enter short. That's it. If it's breaking up, you enter long again. Remember those things, me, I'm telling you. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.